What's up, guys? Quick little in-car recording real quick. We're about to go ahead and drive to the tuning shop. Just to give you guys a quick update, we were able to fix the last two issues that I had going on with the car, which was the coolant gauge not marking correctly. So you can see she's where she needs to be. And also my connector for the VTEC solenoid was a little too short because the harness was off of a D series, so it needed to be extended, obviously, to fit onto the B series solenoid. Getting her topped off right now with that fresh 93. We got cousin Jerdy in the S2000. He's the companion for today. Cousin Joel is also around here in the FA5. Okay, we got the Hondini looking kind of cute out here, the race car. Let's hope for the best today on the dyno. So we're here at the tuning spot. About to go get checked inside. You know, the drive today was a bit aggressive, but you know that was good. Just because you know I hadn't driven the car. You know how we did today. I was just driving it like a normal car in traffic. You know, I wasn't really trying to like baby it much. You know, we were going up like 80, 90. Cooling gauge was fine. Nothing felt weird. Feeling pretty good today, so gonna go get checked inside. Car is officially on the rollers. Not nervous yet, but just maybe a little bit. This is pretty exciting feeling. I mean, as my brother said earlier in the group chat, you know, this is a very important day in a man's life. This is literally where men become, or boys become men. You know, tuning our car for the first time. Only one can hope things go great with this. So let's see what's up. We breaking it, baby. No, she might be capped out at 193. Almost 196. All right, guys, so mid-tune update. Just wanted to pretty much just talk about where we're currently sitting at. We've done maybe about like 5-6 dyno pulls at this point. I found, well, the tuner found out that my VTEC oil pressure connector and my coolant pressure gauge, or my coolant pressure sensor, also were backwards, so that's why I had to check engine light the whole time. And the coolant temp, I had figured that out, but I mean, my sensor probably even worked with the other broken sensor on there. But you know, it's always good. Obviously, that's why it's nice to pay, you know, actual professionals to look over your stuff. It's definitely nerve-wracking. I'll be 100%. Oh, a little side note: the sun just went away because of a cloud. Thank God. But like I was saying, it's really nerve-wracking watching this happen for the first time. Watching my hard work and money, time, dedication being put to the true test. Said he found a few small issues, but nothing alarming. I watched him adjust the distributor. He checked my spark plugs, things like that. I mean, we're pretty much all good. I couldn't even describe to you guys how it felt listening to VTech actually crack for the first time in that thing, because literally I robbed myself of that joy because of just 2 plugs that were backwards. But you know what? It's always nice to at least finally hear it. So I don't know how much longer we have left, but I mean, I'd probably figure maybe only a few more tunes, probably go through some drivability stuff. We're making 195 to the wheels right now, and I'm pretty sure that's what we're capped at on this hot day. The tuner did tell me with cams, obviously I'd make plenty of power. And if I probably came on a colder day, I would have broken the 200 number, but you know, it's a hot day, and for her to still be making that good amount of power in the heat of the day is still pretty exciting to me too. So he adjusted the set screw and everything. We're capped at 195. Check engine light off. We're in the race. Car fully tuned, baby. Yo, VTech cracks hard, fellas. Oh my God, it's like I can't even describe to y'all like what this feels like, yo. Like, it's actually like an insane experience. Like I would have never thought that I'd be able to experience something this nice, you know, like this kind of joy with this, man. Like, I'm really just like proud of all the hard work that all the cousins been doing on this car. Like, you know, it's not only me that's proud to see this thing doing what it's doing. You know, everybody that pretty much put the blood, sweat, and tears, you know, help us out to get this completed. So it's an awesome experience. I'll pretty much leave it at that. Thank you for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one.